guys! Hi guys, welcome to Midlife Crisis Chateau. That's our ex-name.
Yeah, Château du Breuil.
Yeah, we have so many names. Yes guys, we are in this room here, as you can see. We're going to have a guest gonna come stay with us.
Yeah.
The end of next week they come. Oh no, yeah, they come.
The week after next. Not this week coming, the week after.
Ah, okay, in a week.
Yeah, you can say in a week.
Yeah, in a week.
Depending when we upload this video, they could have left already.
Okay. What we have to do is we have to redecorate this room and get the proper bed for this room, just to make it livable and comfortable for our guests.
Yes.
And now we're gonna make the measurement. We just finger cross that we hope we have the right mattress for the bed that we bought on the auction to use for this room.
Yeah.
Let's see. Johan, you want to make measurement now?
Yeah. We have a helper. His name is Nobi.
Did you see Nobi?
You see Nobi. He's gonna help us.
Nobi, this is not dog bed. This is human bed. Your bed is in other room.
We're gonna check the width first, Lic.
Okay, the mattress.
We have exactly 1 meter.
I'm not so sure. I think you should measure here. Like this. What is it?
99.
Okay, so it's
1
about
meter.
that.
Yeah.
And the length?
And the length? No, back to what? Sorry. 190.
190. Okay, this is a typical French bed.
Yeah, 90 by
190.
190.
Okay.
So now we're going to go check in our storage.
We have to have 2 beds here, and then I was thinking about have 2 beds separate, and then have a bedside table in the middle.
Yeah, the one that we bought took from Sweden, right? That one with the marble top.
I don't know yet which one.
Wider, that one.
It depends on if we find a bed or not. It's many factors here.
Oh yes.
This is how the room look like. I'm going to show you.
So
we're going to move that cabinet.
Yeah, this is going out. This is going to stay. This is going to stay. And inside here is a bathroom. It has a shower, a sink, and a toilet.
Yep. Okay, so we go. That doesn't need much work.
And there's one full-size window the same size as that. Yeah. Let's go to our local antique shop just across there. And fingers crossed we find a bed. What do you mean Hall of Shame?
We've been buying a lot of things.
Quite a lot of stuff, yeah.
Yeah, and then...
But we have quite many rooms to fill.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna look for the... What's it called? The bed?
Yeah.
To make over one of the bedroom. But we said earlier, wish us luck that we find the one.
Come follow me in here. Carefully, careful.
Okay, I can trip you.
Okay, we have these ones. We hope.
We have 2 perfectly. Let's see. What is it? Please, wish us luck.
93, and total width is 1 meter. Because these pieces will end up here. Yeah, it's 190.
Oh, perfect.
So this should fit. Yeah, so those beds, I need to make the bed base. I need to make something.
Oh, that's scary, that lady. The dog ready to go for a walk?
Yeah, they don't understand anything.
Should we go for a walk now, Mommy? Don't be calm. Yes, Mommy. Okay, let's go.
Hi everyone. Okay, we're gonna continue. Gonna take out these beds. We got some new beds. We're gonna put it inside here, so I'm gonna continue taking them outside. now it's time to take in the beds. Okay, we're trying to clean some antique beds we bought. I'm cleaning with the steamer. I'm gonna be vacuuming it first, and then steam clean it to see how it goes, and we'll see how that is. So there you see, this will be the colors. It kind of matches with the flower. I think it looks quite nice. And these ones, they're the ones for French beds. It has a long thread on that side, and you usually use a screwdriver or something just to twist it in. And here you see, guys, this is the parts of the bed. The head, the bottom and the sides, the same here. So now I'm going to be attaching them. Okay, I got the second bed base. Gonna put that in there, and that's it. Put the mattresses in, and then we have the curtains to hang, cupboards to put in, bedside tables to put in. So we still got a way to go. So now we have the curtains left to do. We got to get a cupboard in here. We're gonna reorganize and see. Okay, I'm gonna start to vacuum now to get rid of most of the dust. Then we'll clean it with probably a mix of vinegar and water, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that maybe needs to hang a bit lower down, and yeah, I agree, probably another foot down maybe. Okay, we're gonna try. We've hung up the chandelier. Now we're planning, we're not sure, we're gonna try and move the carpet into the middle, and then we're gonna have that table here in the middle. We'll see how that looks. Behind us here we'll have a cupboard. Well, I'm not having a chair here, I just moved it there for now.
You need to wear protection.
This thing fell on my toe, Jim.
Well,
This is take 2 of putting up a cupboard. No, a closet, because the first one was a disaster. We'll show you a brief clip of it. It didn't work out. So this is another one we bought at an antique store. On auction actually. So that's what I'm going to put up now. It's 3 pieces. So yeah, enjoy guys. That is used for the beds, the same kind. The top ones are like this. The bottom ones are already fixed in the center cupboard. And now Lic is going to show you how to mangle. We put it
It's going to be a lot to do when we have guests later. So every bed sheet, every linen has to be done. And we leave like this for
4 or 5 hours, about.
problem that we don't have any matching with. They left us like no matching set for everything. So we just have to use whatever we have. Hopefully it's comfortable.
This is nicer than our room now. I'm jealous. I think I'll be staying here and Lic is staying next door.
Okay, all level.
That's good.
Yes. Let's see.
It's perfectly level, right?
Yeah, perfect. And this is 1901, right? This petitioner.
1903.
1903
03.
have been left for us.
We use this one.
No, the level is too high.
Let's see. Oh, that is not journal. This is journal. There's no journal.
Yeah. Yes, I have a towel here outside.
It looks like no.
What do you guys think? This room. Okay. There it is. That is for the guest to charge the phone.
That's actually Christmas.
You guys know what is hook for? Look. Let us know what is hook for. There is 2 hook in the same level. Yeah. And also 1 hook up there. Big hook up there. I don't know if you can see or not. All these 3 hooks used together.
We are done. Now we just have to tidy up all the things behind. Yeah, this is the after.
Okay, let's see. There it is. What do you guys think? Everything from brocante.
Brocante,
And auction.
auction, and left fast when we bought the chateau.
Yeah. And this is a little corner where we gonna get the guests can charge the phone and electronic things.
Yes.
And let's see the bathroom. Here we go. This is where the toilet is clean. We put up the painting.
Yep.
Traditional. It's from 1903. And the amenity is ready for our guests too. We just have to clean the mirror.
And I cleaned the mirror already.
And that is oh wow, it's good. I like this one. We should have that in our room too. And we have some little thing here to hide the pipe, and the guests can put all the amenities.
Yes.
Things. And the hair dryer over there. Yeah, it's ready. Everything nice and clean. Yeah. Yes. I'm so happy.
Yeah, me too. I'm happy too.
Yeah. Into the this all the painting we put up. And this, you guys, you need to find the mishap, remember? Tell us what is the mishap we have.
Two mishaps.
Two mishaps we have here. From the beginning of the vlog until it's finished, you can see.
I don't even know what it was. I forgot.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoy the vlog.
Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank
Bye
you,
for now.
bye.